The Exodus Effect Review, Honest Exodus Effect Reviews 2020. The Exodus Effect Review, Honest Exodus Effect Reviews 2020. What is the Exodus Impact System? The Exodus result could be a system designed to alleviate a heap of ailments and pains several individuals have and facilitate them live a healthier, additional energetic, and overall better life. This system was created by Pastor Andrew, who studied the Bible for many years and learned of some important translation problems that were keeping this oil from being discovered. What comes in the Exodus Effect System? The Exodus Impact features a PDF that includes a program on how to enhance your health with good lifestyle decisions along with the anointing oil. Together with the Most program, customers can conjointly receive 3 different bonus programs on the way to use the anointed oil in numerous ways alternative than your own health. The 3 bonus programs are: Healing Prayers, that is a prayer book that contains 33 prayers to assist you pray for what you need most. The second bonus guide is the Lazarus Impact, that teaches customers to use the oil and prolong their lifespans by 15 years. The third program you'll receive is that the Divine Pet. This program shows you the way to use the oil to improve the health and lives of your animals. What is the oil designed to do? The anointing oil comes within the program. This is the substance that can modification your life. You won't depend upon any illegal medication because cannabis does not contain the compound THC, which is found in marijuana. THC is the drug compound that gets you high when you smoke marijuana. But cannabis does not have THC. The cannabis compounds in the anointing oil relieve you of the inflammation in your body, therefore your body feels less pain, feels lighter, and you'll keep awake longer. Conclusion: perhaps someday, when the globe finally finds peace and science is embraced so as to create lives easier and a lot of prosperous towards all humans on earth, will we have a tendency to be able to return to biblical ages and live for great periods of time. But a minimum of for currently, the Exodus effect can improve the years that you live here on earth by taking out your pains and improving your health normally. The secrets of the Bible have long been misunderstood as a result of the many translation errors. But currently we tend to apprehend the truth, and we should use this truth to assist everybody in need. It's the Christian method. Subscribe to my channel for more health updates.